Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of solving the 4x4. This one is probably the easiest to understand. Okay, to start this you have to have all your centers solved and oriented correctly. So to figure that out, make it so there's white facing you and blue on the top. There should be white here, blue here, yellow here, red, green, and orange. If you don't, you can just restart. Okay, so this step is going to be pairing your edges. To pair your edges, start on any side and look and see. So here's the yellow-orange. You want to look for another yellow-orange piece. Nope. Let's look on this side. Oh, here's a yellow-orange. So there's yellow-orange here and yellow-orange here. If you want them to be across from each other, so you can just do that and then that. But as you can see, let's say we're using yellow-orange, which we are. You want yellow to be facing up on one side and orange to be facing up on another side, so that you can just bring them and they will pair. For this, the same color is facing up, so you can't pair them. So all you have to do is do this, so you are inverted. Then you turn the bottom layers, and then make it so they're still across from each other, but different colors are facing up. And then you can just meet them. So you might think, wow, you're messing up the centers, it's not going to work. Well, it does. So you just bring that back, then you can go left, up, replace it with an edge that's not already paired, then you bring that back down, then you slide the centers to pair them again. Now, as you can see, they're right up there and they're paired. Now, I'm going to do a red-green. So, just look for another red-green. There's white-green. Oh, and here's a white-green and here's a white-green. So, this is perfect. You can just slide that in. So, you can go like that. Replace it with an edge that's not already paired. And there you go. Now you can do that with all the other ones. So, blue, yellow. Look for blue, yellow. Yep, here. So you just do that. Place it with an edge that's not already paired. And that one is. So, that and that. Green, red. And you can just find the green, red. And if you go across from it and you just keep doing that and see if you can find it, and you don't, you can move this face, so it's right there, and then you can just go and see. Nope. So do that. Is there a red-green? No red-green. Oh, here's a red-green. Nope, never mind. Okay, so we can do that. And some of the times the red-green will be, or the other piece will be right across from them. So, sometimes this can be a pain to do this, but you'll get used to it. Okay, so here's white and orange. Here's white and orange. You can just slide that in, place it with a non-paired edge, then revert the centers. And here's blue-orange. Just want to find another blue-orange, and there it is. Here's another technique if they're like this. You can twist this 2 times, and then twist this 2 times, and then they will meet. Then you just replace it like that. Here's red, white. So I just twist this 2 times. Twist this 2 times. Bring it up, replace it, and twist this 2 times. Here's blue and red. And here's blue and red. Oh, here's blue and white, and here's blue and white. So that's easy. So you just do that. Place it with it, and there you go. For example, let's say you want to pair these up, and let's just say that you are. To pair those up, all you need to do is replace it with the random edge on top. But what if there are no edges on top? You just want to twist these until you find a random edge. Oh, here's one. So all you have to do is meet it, and you can replace it with it. Okay, so now we've got that covered, we can just move on. So here's red, yellow, and here's red, yellow. So you can just red. Oh, okay. So last two edges. They might be a little weird. And you might think, wow, there's no edges to pair. You can pair it, but there's no edges on top that are random. What you need to do is, for example, if your cube is like this, where the last two edges are across from each other, but these two colors are not the same. What you want to do is you want to bring this down, and then you can just bring this over, bring it back up, and as you can see, these two colors are going to be the same, and these two colors are going to be the same. You want to take these and bring it to the right, so bring these bottom layers to the right, and go right, front inverted, up, right inverted, front, and then bring those back together, and as you can see, you just paired those edges. Now you can move on to the next step.